If you've been trying to change your Steam account name, there's an important detail you need to know right away. Steam account name and Steam profile name are not the same thing. In this video, I'll show you exactly what can and cannot be changed and how to update the name other players actually see. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's clear up the difference. Your Steam account name, also called your login ID, is the permanent name you created when you made your Steam account. This is the name you use to sign in, and Steam does not allow you to change it. Even Steam support cannot modify it because it's tied to your account security, licenses, and purchase history. The good news is that this name is private. Other players never see it, not on your profile, not in your friends list, and not in your games. So if you were searching for how to change your Steam account name, the short answer is that you can't change the login ID, but the name people actually see can be changed, and that's your Steam profile name. This is the display name shown to friends in multiplayer games and across your Steam profile. That means if your goal is to update how your name appears publicly, this is the setting you want to edit. Now let me walk you through how to change your Steam profile name step by step. First, open the Steam client on your computer and sign into your account. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu area and hover over your current name. From the drop-down options, click Profile. This will take you to your public Steam profile page. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button on the right side. Click that to open your profile settings. In the Settings menu, find the General section. Inside that section, you'll see a field labeled Profile Name. This is the name you can edit anytime you want. Click inside the Profile Name field and type in your new display name. You can make it whatever you want, as long as it follows Steam's rules and fits your style. After typing your new name, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This is the step that applies the change. Once you save it, your new Steam profile name will update right away. Your friends will see the new name, and it may also appear in games depending on the title and how that game pulls your Steam display name. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat the same steps. There's no limit in normal use, so you can update it as often as needed. A quick reminder, if you're trying to find your actual login account name, Steam does not provide a way to rename it. But if you only want to change the name everyone sees, your profile name is the one to edit. That's why it's so important to know the difference before you spend time looking through the wrong settings. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me make more simple tutorials like this one. And if you want more Steam tips, account settings guides, and gaming how-tos, be sure to check out the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.